Well, hello, I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and today I am reviewing the Contixo Stunt Drone F10. And I just want to start by saying, look at this guy. He is cool looking. This is a very large drone. I'll show you compared to another drone. This is the Dracon Cyclone. Compare that to the size of the Contixo F10. It is a big guy. So what we've got, this is the box when you get it. This bad boy does one-touch flips and barrel rolls, takes high definition pictures and videos, has a auto hover feature, that's altitude hold, and also has headless mode. And I like that feature. I like both of these features. What you get in the box, you get the user's manual, a screwdriver. You will need the screwdriver. This thing comes, the propellers are already on it. You have to install the propeller guards. They go on pretty easy, real easy. They're just 2 screws. I don't know if you can see them in there on each one. You'll have to install the landing gear. It has 2 screws on each side. You'll have to install the camera. That's the camera. Cool looking camera. It has 4 screws, 2 on that side, 2 on that side. It comes with a battery. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a 1200 mAh 7.4 volt battery, and it comes with a battery charger. Also, the controller. Pretty cool looking controller. I like the way this controller feels in my hand. It's a good controller. Some of the features on this button up here, of course, well, first, this is your power button. The power comes on, that light comes on. It's flashing. Once you're paired with the drone, it'll stop flashing and just stay solid color. You have this button here is your flip button. That'll do your flips. These are all your trim buttons on this one. On this drone, to engage altitude hold, or auto hover as they call it, is you take it up to the height you want, and then you push that button right there, and then it'll be an auto hover. It doesn't have the type of joystick where you just let go and it stays and it goes back to center. You have to engage it with that. And then to over here, this button is your picture button. You push it once to take a picture, and when you push it, it takes the picture, the drone will beep. You push it and hold it to take a video. It says to hold it for 3 seconds and the drone will beep and let you know that it's taking video. Now this is a FPV drone, so you go to in the user's manual somewhere, it tells you right here, you can download their app. One is for iOS, Apple iOS, and the other one is for Android. You download that app to your phone. Once you get your phone downloaded, or once you get it downloaded to your phone, you of course turn the controller on, pair it up with the drone. Then you go to your Wi-Fi, and the drone will show up on the Wi-Fi. You log on to the drone from your Wi-Fi. Then you open up the app. The app has 2 features, 720. You know what? Let me just get my other phone. I'll show you. Hold on one second. How this works is turn the drone on underneath. Let me do that right there. Pair it up with the controller. Okay, we are paired up with the controller. Then we are going to log on to our Wi-Fi. And let's see, let's turn on the camera. I think we got to do that. Hold it for 3 seconds. 2, 1. And let's see if it comes up. There it is, FPV Wi-Fi. That's the one you want. We want to log into that, connect. And it is connecting. It says connected. Once it's connected, We're going to go to the app, which is somewhere in here, right there, Wi-Fi camera. You'll have to download this app. It also comes with an owner's manual. In the owner's manual, it tells you how to download the app. It has a spot to go to, whether you have an Apple iOS or an Android. So you download the app, and that's the app right there. So you click that, it comes up. You got a choice of VGA 480p or 720. I click 720, and there you go. The camera mounts right there on the drone. And now we are seeing what the drone is seeing. Cool, right? I took this out earlier. I'm going to take y'all out and show you how that works too. All right, so I think we are ready to get outside, so let's go. My review of the Contixo F10 quadcopter drone. The big boy, it's a good drone. I recommend it after flying it today. Had a lot of fun. It's a windy day, but it still handled well. I was able to control it. I think if you got one, you would like it too. And as always, if you found this video, liked it, it was helpful, don't forget to like. And if I won your favor, if you like watching my videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Just comment anything. If you have one of these already, maybe there's some questions I didn't answer or things I forgot to tell about it. Comment in the comments, your experiences with it too. And as always, have a wonderful day. I'm Scott with Scott's Journey, and I'm out.